Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT upload failed. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Maybe your ChatGPT account is on the quota or planned quota. If your file size is technically fine, while your account tier might be blocking the upload. So for free plans, there are some restrictions, as free users have a strict cap of roughly 3 file uploads per day. So if you have hit the limit, you need to open up a new chat or wait for 24 hours. If you can't wait, a simple fix for that, go ahead and create a new account. Log out and log into a new ChatGPT account and continue your work from there. Also, when you go ahead and upload a PDF or text file, all right, well, I would like for you to know that documents and PDFs cannot exceed 2 million tokens, roughly 1.5 million words. Okay, if your text or document is too dense, ChatGPT will reject it even if it's well under 512 megabytes. Now, let's say you're trying to upload a PDF or document from or docx from Word or Microsoft Word, and it continuously triggers a failure. So what do we do? So go ahead and find the document, for example, Word, again, just like so. What you'll do is just right click on it and make sure that you compress it. Okay, compress the zip file, or if you have WinRAR, add to archive. All right, click on OK. Now it's compressed. The size right here for a compressed file will be smaller. So what you'll do is go ahead and upload it, or upload the zip file straight up to ChatGPT. And as you can see here, it's been uploading, and then it will just automatically extract by itself. And this one bypasses many format related upload bugs. So go ahead and add in your prompts and then click on send, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you have VPNs or proxies enabled, disable them for now, or ad blockers, disable them. And then after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is how you fix ChatGPT upload failed. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.